I was gifted this manual coffee grinder for an honest review. And whether you're into espresso, French press, or even a smooth cappuccino, this grinder promises to deliver the perfect grind every time. My first impressions, this grinder is sleek and sturdy. It's made from CNC stainless steel, which not only looks great, but also feels incredibly durable. The extended hand crank is a nice touch, making it easy to grind without too much effort. Taking this grinder with me on camping trips, and it's been a lifesaver for getting that perfect cup of coffee no matter where I am. The burr mechanism inside is impressively precise, allowing for consistent results across various settings. I've used it for everything from espresso to French press, and it's performed beautifully each time. The fact that you can adjust the grind size is a huge win, especially if you like to experiment with different brewing methods. For those of you who travel a lot, this grinder is compact enough to fit in your bag without taking up much space. It's also great for those moments when you want a fresh cup of coffee but don't have access to electricity. The manual aspect might seem like a downside to some, but I find it quite therapeutic. It's a satisfying way to start your morning routine. In conclusion, this manual coffee grinder is a fantastic tool for anyone serious about their coffee. It's reliable, easy to use, and perfect for both home use and on-the-go brewing. If you're looking to spice up your coffee game, this grinder is definitely worth checking out.